Hey, it's Josie with Affirmation Pod, and this is where you get soothing affirmations to help you make the changes you need to and live the life you truly want. Welcome to new listeners. Welcome again to returning listeners. Thank you for joining me today. Special welcome to the new wave of listeners that have joined us here in 2025. In case you don't know, because we have over 550 episodes, in the show notes of every episode, you will see a sister episode and a list of related episodes. That is to help you find the episodes you need so you don't need to scroll and keep scrolling. So please take advantage of that resource, which is the show notes of every episode. Today's episode is called Affirmations for Finishing Unfinished Business. Sometimes it's hard to close the door fully on a chapter that you know you need to finish in your life. Sometimes that's because it means uncomfortable decisions, uncomfortable conversations, uncomfortable reactions from others. But you know what's best for you is to move forward and to close a chapter by tying up loose ends, releasing old ties, and yes, stepping in to the unknown. So as we start, let's bring our attention inside. Allow the muscles of your face relax, bringing in love, warmth, and support as you listen to the affirmations for finishing unfinished business. I am growing and evolving. I love who I am becoming. I am stronger and braver. I have faced hard things. I have fought through hard stuff. I have survived hard times. I am moving forward. I am finishing unfinished business. I am making the hard decisions. I am having the hard conversations. I am closing the door on old spaces. I am releasing the old. I am stepping into the new. I am making changes. I am finishing unfinished business. I am closing the book. It's okay to say goodbye. And it's okay to say hello. I am stepping forward. I am growing and evolving. Making changes and letting go can be really, really tough. And so if you're in that process where you are closing the door, but there's unfinished business, it may mean a resignation, a breakup, or going no contact with someone. Give yourself the time and space to think through what finishing unfinished business means. If you know you'll benefit even more from the Affirmation Pod episodes with no ads and no announcements, maybe just playing certain ones on repeat over and over, this is an option for Premium Access members. Premium Access members get all the episodes of Affirmation Pod, added announcement free, plus bonus episodes you won't hear on this podcast. There are over 100 bonus episodes now. Some popular bonus episodes are Affirmations for Motivation, I'm Doing What Makes Me Happy, Responding to Negative Thoughts, and Keeping the Past in the Past. Come get started today by going to affirmationpod.com/join. That's affirmationpod.com/join. Hey, it's Josie here. Thanks for listening today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and feel free to play another episode right now.